we give you the Rank Accelerator JEE Advanced Ekalavya books with, detailed solution, enough number of problems, segregated chapter wise. In fact, if you see the book, it has two parts. All right, questions of JEE Advanced difficulty, and then part B has difficulty even higher than JEE Advanced. And this part B you can skip if you do not have enough time, but part A you should do it. Okay, and this is done for every single chapter. The link of this particular JEE Advanced Rank Accelerator book is down in the description box right now. So check it out and place the order, because I know many of you would now be interested to prepare for JEE Advanced even if boards are there. Because when I was preparing for my JEE, I really did not care about boards so much. Yes, the board exam is just an eligibility. After that, it's all about your JEE rank, because that's what is going to get you inside the IIT campus. All right. So do not forget to check out the link which is there in the description box.